Welcome to Home for Best Food. I'm Bhavna and today's recipe is crispy and yummy Rava Parota. These are full of fiber and hence a great addition to your breakfast menu. Enjoy a break from normal roti chapati with this easy to make Rava Parota recipe. Let's begin the recipe. In a large pan, add 2 cups of water and get the water to a rapid boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the water begins to boil, add 1 cup of rava. Cook well, continuously stirring with another hand. Cook the rava well. Switch off the flame and transfer this cooked rava in another bowl and cool it for 10 minutes. Knead this cooked rava for a minute. Now add 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, some grated ginger, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, some chopped green chilies and coriander leaves. After adding all the ingredients, mix the dough well until it becomes soft and smooth. Take a ball of dough, dust some flour on the rolling surface and roll using a rolling pin. Now cook these parotas on hot tawa. Apply ghee while cooking these parotas. Flip the parota and apply some ghee on this side as well. Gently press the parotas while cooking. Now these parotas are ready to serve. These can be served with yogurt, raita, green chutney and pickle. Thanks for watching.